So my question is regarding the verse and the purport, where Prabhupada is telling the Va word is very important and there is no need of entering into Vedic complicated conclusions or regulations, etc. of Yamadipati. At the same time, fixing mind on Krishna. Whereas we see in NOD, there uttam Adhikari, madhyam Adhikari, these qualifications are given. There we see that for uttam Adhikari, it is given that he is he is able to convince others by using yukti, in Krishna. And madhyam Adhikari is one who is convinced himself, but he cannot convince others. So my question is, Maharaj, how to understand this, that do we have to consciously cultivate the knowledge part?
You see, the thing is that the devotee is very humble. He never thinks that I have become uttam Adhikari or madhyam Adhikari. The devotee always considers that, I am lower than the blade of a grass. So he doesn't judge himself, but it's Krishna who decides. And another thing about spiritual life, what really happens is, more you advance, more you realize how much you didn't advance, or how you didn't really advance. So that is the unique aspect of spiritual. We don't realize, now I have come to a Madhyamadika platform. Or rather, devotee's mood is, I couldn't even become a devotee. We find it from Uddhava also. Considered to be the greatest devotee of Dwarka. Such an exalted devotee that when Narada Muni heard about him, in ecstasy, he could not even walk straight. He was Narada couldn't really, he was faltering, he was stumbling. Just, getting the opportunity to meet him, going to meet him. And that Uddhava is desiring to become a blade of grass in Vrindavan. Why? So that he could get the dust from the lotus feet of the Gopis. When he went to Vrindavan and saw the Gopis, their devotion to Krishna, their attachment to Krishna, he felt so humble. He was feeling that I wish that I could āsām caraṇa-reṇu-juṣām Vrindavane kimokire gulma-latauṣadhīnām. I wish I could become a blade of grass or a bush or a creeper in Vrindavan so that I could get the dust from the Gopis' lotus feet. He knew that the Gopis are not going to give him the dust of their feet. So he was desiring to get the dust of their feet. Just when they will run to meet Krishna, they may step onto him. And that's how he may get. So this is the attitude of the greatest of devotees. So what to speak of us? So let's not worry about it. As I pointed out, we found the right path, just let's stay on that. And rest will happen by Krishna's mercy. Let's keep on. Janmani shari. Let it take life after life. Already so many lifetimes we have wasted. At least from this lifetime onwards, let's remain on the right track.